Hey y'all, welcome back to SB Designs. In today's video, I wanted to show you my Stormy Weather collection. This is a 3-piece set. It includes a necklace, a bracelet, and earrings. The featured stones in this collection are druzy agate, amazonite, labradorite, pitcher jasper, feldspar, and wood. I'm also including some really fun metal elements like those little butterflies that you see there. And then I'm tying everything together with some satin ribbon. I really like the way this collection came together. I was inspired by the druzy agate, which looks like it was a thundercloud. And I really liked the pitcher jasper, and I decided to incorporate some wood because I thought it would really help tie everything together. I hope you enjoyed watching this collection come together. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.